Merry Christmas everyone, and here is my festive burger, which is a sage and onion turkey burger with sautéed sprout, bacon, cranberry sauce, creamy brie cheese and 2 pigs in blankets on top. Delicious. The flavours of Christmas all in a burger. So it's over to the kitchen and let's get started.
First, finely slice an onion and then cut it into small pieces. I'm adding the onion to the bowl of my vintage food mixer, along with approximately 12 ounces of minced turkey breast and the same quantity of sausage meat. This provides the fat content which all burgers must have. Finally, 1 tablespoon of dried sage. Now give it all a good mix to combine. Portion the mix to make 4-ounce burger patties and roll into a neat ball. Place a disc of greaseproof paper into the burger press, followed by a ball of mixture, another disc of greaseproof to prevent sticking, and a good press down. And that's how to make a burger patty. Place the burger patties into the fridge to firm up overnight. Outdoors at the barbecue, I'm finely slicing a few Brussels sprouts, which I'm going to saute. Now, if you've never had sautéed sprouts, I urge you to give them a try. I'm no great lover of sprouts, but cooking them this way adds another dimension and quite a different taste. With my cast iron pan on the grill, I'm adding a knob of butter. When it's sizzling, add the chopped sprout and sauté until tender, stirring every now and then. With the sprout almost done, it's time for the burgers to go onto the griddle, and then the pigs in blankets. I'll just flip the burgers and then turn the pigs in blankets. Just look at that caramelisation. Now for a couple of rashers of smoked bacon. Give the sprout a quick stir, turn the bacon, and yes, it's all cooking nicely. Well, that's the sprout done. Time to toast the bun. Yes, that's it. Everything's done. Let's get it off the grill. Well, it's smelling really good, and believe me, it's going to taste amazing. Onto the toasted bun, a generous helping of sautéed sprout, followed by the sage and onion turkey burger, and then a dollop of cranberry sauce. Top that with the smoked bacon, followed by a couple of slices of creamy brie cheese. The top of the bun, and we ain't finished yet. Not 1, but 2 pigs in blankets. And that is my festive burger.
At this time of the year, I love to receive gifts and surprises. And right now, you could give me a really nice surprise by subbing my channel. Simply give that button a click. And don't forget to activate and ding the bell. And then you'll catch all the videos I've got lined up for next year. And I really do love a thumbs up. Now, here's the recipe recap. And now, here's another mouth-watering look at my delicious festive burgers. And on that note, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers for their continued support and wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. From me, the dude of the food, the old geezer at the grill. Thanks for watching.